Hello, learners. Here, your teacher Amita. Today, I am going to teach you a roadside stand. It is in the continuation of the previous video in which I have already told you about the poet Robert Frost, and I have given you the description about the poem. Already, we have discussed about the introduction of the poem also, the theme of the poem also, in which I have already told you. In a roadside stand, the Robert Frost describes the miserable condition of the poor people in the countryside. No one, not even the government and other social service agencies, help the poor people. The city people who drive through the countryside hardly pay any heed to the roadside stand, nor do they care for the people who run it. If at all they do, it is to complain. Frost described the lives of the poor people with pitiless clarity and with deepest sympathy and humanity. Today I am going to teach you the poem, and I will give you line by line description in a easy language. The little old house was out with a little new shed. Here, the poet wants to tell us that there was a little house. It was extended and a shed was built in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped. In front and at the corner of the road, traffic moved ahead fast. A roadside stand that too pathetically pled. The roadside stand was set up there and it appeared to be begging for customers. It would not be fair to say for a dole of bread. It means it would not be fair, or it is unfair to say that the people who ran it pleaded for a dole of bread, but for some of the money, the cash, whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering. It means, but they seemed to be expecting their customers for earning some money. They wanted to earn some cash. As city dwellers are richer than the rural people, that's why they want the passers-by should stop there and purchase fruits and vegetables from the roadside stand so that the cash supports the best thing of the city. It is the money and wealth that saves all the best things and beautiful things in city from ruin and withering away. So the poet wants the passers-by should stop there, the traffic which was moving there should stop there and come to the roadside stand to purchase fruit and vegetables so that they can earn money. In the first stanza, the poet wants to describe about the roadside stand seems to be pleading, making a request to earn dole of bread. Means they don't want donation, but they want to earn, they want to get money in hand, they want a support so that they can also become better in their life. Okay, so this was the description of the first stanza. Let me tell you some meanings of the difficult word. Number one is edge, means border. Shed means a simple building for storing things. Traffic sped means fast movement of vehicles. Roadside means by the side of the road. Stand, a place where people can buy or obtain information. Pathetically means in a pitiable manner. Pled means made a request. Not be fair means unfair, unjust. Dole of bread, donation, cash, money in hand. Supports means keep from falling, holds up. The flower of cities means best things of the city. Sinking means ruin. Withering, dying and shrinking. Faint, lifeless. So these were the meanings of the difficult words which came in this stanza. Now let us continue the next paragraph, next stanza. First I will read the paragraph completely, then I will describe the explanation of this paragraph. The poet traffic past with a mind ahead, or if ever aside a movement, then out of sort at having the landscape marred with the artless paint of sign with N turned wrong and S turned wrong. Offered for sale wild berries in wooden quarts, or crook necked golden squash with silver warts, or beauty rest in a beautiful mountain scene. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why keep your money this crossly and go along? Let us know about the meanings of the difficult words from this paragraph. Polished means refined. Traffic, movement of vehicles. Mind ahead, going straight forward. As you have seen, passers by were going ahead. If ever means if at any time. Aside means on one side. As you have seen in the first stanza that the roadside stand was a side, means on one side of the road. Out of sort means irritated, not feeling well. Now I am going to explain the stanza in an easy language. The refined and rich people drove past the roadside stand without stopping there. Means civilized peoples. Those civilized people who were going through that road, they were passing without stopping at the roadside stand. They didn't bother about the roadside stand. If someone stopped there, just he was irritated by the clumsy paint that spoiled the landscape. He was out of sorts when he found the letters N and S turned wrong. Ordinary things like wild berries in wooden quarts were offered for sale. Similarly, golden gourd with silver hard lump could be brought from there. The place also provided a beautiful mountain scene for staying there if one had money. As you know that rich people have money, that's why they enjoy the beauty of the nature, and poor people just spend their life in earning and making their life better. Here also writer is saying that the place also provided a beautiful mountain scene for staying there if one had money. But if one wanted to be a miser, then he could keep the money in his pocket and move ahead. So this was the description of the stanza. Let us continue the next stanza. The hurt to the scenery would not be my complaint, so much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Here far from the city we make our roadside stand, and ask for city money to feel in hand, to try if it will not make our being expand, and give us the life of the moving pictures promise that the party in power is said to be keeping from us. Now it is the time to know the meanings of the difficult word. Hurt means harm, scenery means simple landscape, expand means delayed, develop. Now let us talk about the explanation of the stanza. The poet does not complain about the landscape. The hurt to the scenery would not be my complaint. Means the poet does not complain about the landscape. It has been spoiled by the artless paint done on the building. Here poet is worried about the sorrows of these people, because these peoples are not rich. It is very hard to earn bread and butter in their life. That's why they have made such a roadside stand to earn money. They have remained unsaid. They never tell about their miserable life. The roadside stand is quite far away from the city. Those who are running it expect some city money to come in their hands. They hope that the city people passing through the place will stop to buy things. Money earned will make them prosperous. It will give them the life as promised by the moving pictures. But unfortunately, the party in power is indifferent to these rural people and their demands. In this video, I have completed 3 stanzas, and in the next video, I will continue with the next stanzas of the poem. I hope that you have understood the meanings of the difficult words in the poem, and you have understood the description and explanation of the poem. Keep doing practice, keep learning, keep revising. Watch the video again and again. If you have any problem, then please comment and I will satisfy your queries. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.